In class today, we just whiteboarded worksheets from Friday, but unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to actually build some circuits for Castle Unit 6, Activity 1 and 2. Therefore, tonight you need to go home and actually build these circuits through a simulation. So let me show you the one or two ways you can do this. Either you can just simply click on Simulation, open this up. If it doesn't open for you right away, you need to make sure you open it. It probably will open. And you could just build the circuit yourself. So you can bring in a wire here, you can bring in a battery. If you bring in a battery, you need to change the voltage on it to be 1.5. You could bring in the light bulb. If it's a round, again I'm right clicking here, you need to change resistance. If it's a round light bulb, you need to change it and set it to 1. If it happens to be a long bulb, you set the resistance to 5. Okay, so you can build a circuit and you could do it that way. It's going to take a lot longer, but feel free to do that if you want to. Okay, let me show you another option though. Another option, if you look here, you'll notice that I have all these pre-built circuits that go for each one of the activities. Activity 1, number 1 through 9, and Activity 2, 1 through 9. You can click on one of these, and it takes you to my Google site. You can download this pre-built circuit. And after you download it, put it somewhere you know where it's at, desktop, whatever. Okay. And then when you come back to this and click on the simulations, and it starts up again, what you can do, instead of building your own circuit, you can click load, and you can find that program you just download onto your desktop. There it is. Castle Unit 6, Activity number 1, and again I'm going to have all 18 of them on here. I just didn't have time to do that. Hit open, and it puts the circuit in for me already. I don't have to change the voltage or the resistance. I built the whole thing for you. Okay, it should save you a lot of time. Now, one more thing that you need for Activity 1, you're going to need a voltmeter. So you need to check this little check mark over here, and you can move this to wherever you want. And you're going to have to put your probes in here. Let's say I want to figure out the voltages from here to here, let's say, or maybe from here to here, or whatever. Of course, there's probably not going to be a whole lot of anything in this since I don't have the circuit closed. But this will let you figure out the voltage, and I think it wants you to know the voltage across all the batteries. Here I'll show you the voltage across this battery is 1.5 volts. Okay. So anyway, that's what you can do, and you can put it across any or combinations of the light bulbs. Okay, so for Activity 1, when you download all those circuits, you're going to have to make sure you check mark the voltmeter and put it in there. For Activity 2, it's going to be using ammeters, and the ammeter, in fact, let me just go ahead and show it to you. I'll go ahead and download one of those. Simulation again. This will be for Unit 2. I think I clicked on, or Activity 2, number 2, I think. I'm going to come up again to load instead of building my own circuit. It'll be much faster. Go to desktop, find it in here. Here's Activity 2. And you'll notice I don't need the voltmeter for this. What I need is ammeters, and they're already connected. Notice the ammeters, they're connected in series. The current has to flow through it. And again, they're not going to measure anything until I close that switch. Okay. The light bulbs have been set, already preset for you to the correct resistance, and so have the batteries if you use my pre-built circuits.